2016 RX350. We're gonna reset the scheduled maintenance. What you're gonna do is you're gonna use the steering wheel buttons you have right here on the right side, and you just scroll over to the right until you get to this gear symbol that you have right here. And once you're in here, you're gonna go down to where it says vehicle settings, okay, and then hit enter, and then go down. You'll see scheduled maintenance and oil maintenance. This is your oil change, and this is if you're gonna do a general maintenance like at the dealer, where they're gonna go and do and look at your brakes and everything like that. Okay, so we're gonna reset both of these. Go ahead, hit enter to go into there. Enter is this dot, okay? And it asks you if you want to reset. Hit yes. Wait a minute, it'll time out, and then we can do the oil. Oil, because we changed the oil today, and we went over through the whole car today, so we're good with the maintenance schedules. And that's pretty much it. Well, I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, I would really appreciate it if you hit that like button for me, leave me a comment if you could, and if you want to see more Lexus content, hit that subscribe button.